Hello, welcome to another Cushy Crypto video. Today I have a fun one for you, and it's not just fun, it's revolutionary. This video is all about a game which is being made by these guys next to me. Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, Samson Mal, founder of Blockstream, Adam Back, also founder of Blockstream, rumored to be Satoshi Nakamoto. Very smart individuals that are doing something amazing. They are building a video game. This video game consists of 2 tokens, which we'll look at in the video, and I'll also be looking at the game in this video. It's a space themed game, and I think with Elon Musk taking over the world at the moment, he's taken over the cryptocurrency space as well, and I think when this game is in its prime, we'll be going to Mars. Space travel will be the hype. So stay tuned if you are interested in learning about this. It could be a lucrative investment, and even if you don't invest, there's a lot to learn in this video, and also how blockchain technology is going to change the security legacy market. All that, stay tuned, let's roll it.
The children of the revolution, now you won't fool. The children of the revolution, now, yeah!
Infinite Fleet is an epic MMO strategy game. This stands for Massive Multiplayer Online Strategy Game, and from these video clips that they've released, it looks exciting. I was never a big StarCraft player or World of Warcraft player, but I did play RuneScape. And just looking at this from the surface, it looks like a fun game. So basically, players own a fleet of starships, and you can choose whether to go head to head and go against another fleet of starships, or you can team up with your boys and go around killing other people, or you can do PvE, which is player versus environment, and you can like do raids and take on computer players, just like people do in World of Warcraft, just like the huge Twitch streamers do, and you can essentially play against the game. This is probably the most exciting thing for me about this game, because I just know Twitch streamers will be all over it. And from listening to interviews from the guys who are making Infinite Fleet, they've really tried to distance themselves a bit from the cryptocurrency aspect of the game and make it all about the game first and the cryptocurrency second, and we'll get into the cryptocurrency part of this game later on. And it's not all just about fighting. Players can also go out and mine asteroids for certain inventories and minerals and rare artifacts that will be worth something in the game, and you can use these things that you find to help your fleet fight other fleets. It's almost like spells or swords or different weaponry that you'd see in other games, and they've made it clear that this is not going to be a pay to win game. I'm sure a lot of the things that you actually purchase in the game are cosmetic, so the rich aren't always winning, and it keeps the game fun for everyone. And like I said before, I can see Twitch streamers getting all over this. And another thing that I heard in an interview, it's all about going to be like positional. Different parts of the spaceship takes like more damage, so you got to position your fleet correctly. Different weapons that you have in the game are going to affect the ships, and things that you harvest and collect, like anti-gravity items, are going to affect how you will attack another fleet or how a fleet attacks you. So strategy is involved. It's not just run and gun. You have to use your brain. See people like the streamer Destiny being all over this. This reminds me of League of Legends. The INF token is the in-game currency for Infinite Fleet. It has a fixed total supply, just like Bitcoin, giving it true scarcity. This is really interesting to me. It's quite experimental. I'm super excited to see how this plays out. The currency itself is going to be able to use for person-to-person trading on a person-to-person marketplace. This is not the first time I've seen this in the cryptocurrency space. The Lightbringer game also has a person-to-person marketplace all on the Litecoin blockchain. But the Infinite Fleet person-to-person marketplace is going to be a safe place, giving people the option to actually trade their in-game items, and obviously the value of the items will be driven by supply and demand. Just to make it clear, these items are not NFTs. It's not all happening on chain. Just think of it as like a World of Warcraft trading, but the scarce cryptocurrency is the currency. The items are not NFTs. It's going to be very easy to interact with the INF token and the marketplace. They have an app planned for the marketplace where players can bid on items or buy items, but also where players will be able to use their in-game wallet and also transact that INF token into an external wallet where you can then trade it for another cryptocurrency or a stable coin and then go and buy something in the real world. This is what cryptocurrency has been screaming for, a game just like this. Super strategy, super sticky, and transferring in-game value into real-world value in a very low barrier to entry way. It's all about the game first and the cryptocurrency second. The fact that this is a blockchain-based currency gives the player true ownership. And if you ever get tired of the game, you can just sell all your INF tokens, and that is your time. That is your time in the game that you can transfer into real world value. Now, the INF token is going to be issued upon the Liquid network. If you don't know about the Liquid network, it is essentially a side chain for Bitcoin. If I was to use one Bitcoin as an example, if I put one Bitcoin into the Liquid network, it would be one LBTC, and it just makes for faster transactions, because if you aren't aware, it can take quite a long time for a Bitcoin transaction to occur. You have to wait for confirmations, and by using the Liquid network, it speeds everything up. Just to inform you quickly, the Liquid network is actually going to be used in the first cryptocurrency bank in America. Caitlin Long has pushed for this. It's created by the guys behind Blockstream, Adam Back, Samson Mao. Adam Back is rumored to be Satoshi, the creator of Bitcoin. And I definitely wouldn't sleep on the Liquid network. They are going to take all these scaling problems that everyone's all these altcoin maximalists are complain about Bitcoin, and it's going to make the billionaires very happy when they can transact their Bitcoin very quick. The Liquid network is worth looking into. If you're someone that holds Bitcoin, it's worth looking into the Liquid network. Very easy to use wallet called the Green Wallet. It just links straight with your hardware wallet. And finally, how are these INF tokens going to be distributed? Well, this is called proof of participation. Players will get given the INF tokens for doing quests and certain missions in the game. This is how the coins are minted. The players mint their own coins. Then you can go and trade in the game and get more INF tokens. You could be a dealer of some sort in the game. But to get your initial INF tokens, they will be rewarded for time spent in the game playing. So imagine when this launches, all these streamers that love strategy games, I keep touching on this, but the streamers make games so popular. And I don't think the guys behind Infinite Fleet are even going to have to market this game to streamers. I mean, when they realize that they can actually earn real value from playing a game, they're just going to be all over it. Now, the second token, which is the token for the investors, for the people like me looking for profit. This token is a security token. You can treat it as owning a part of the company. Now, for this token to even exist, the company behind building Infinite Fleet, called Exordium, have had to jump through many hoops and have had to comply with strict security laws. This is the first of its kind, and this could be the beginning of security tokens coming to the blockchain world. We could see a liquid exchange, and we will see many other companies follow in suit to raise funds. Now, for holding the security token, you also get paid dividends, 20% of what the company make, but it is a very high risk, high reward. Usually the everyday investor is not allowed to invest in securities like this, and Stocker have many other companies in the pipeline, which again, high risk, high reward plays. There has already been a private sale. USDT Tether has also invested $1 million into this. Obviously, this is a million times better than what a Kickstarter would offer, because with a Kickstarter, you don't actually get any perks of owning part of the business if it becomes successful. You usually just get little perks of getting the product first, and you also do get some sort of perks for investing in the security token offering. Depending on how much you actually invest, you can get like certain spaceships, or you can actually get a planet named after you. You can even get a whole galaxy system named after you. This is like a new IPO model. It's brilliant. It's amazing. It's brilliant. High risk, high reward. It's unfair that governments don't let people invest in companies that could grow to be, let the everyday person profit off this, whereas usually it's just to investment savvy individuals with a high net worth, which is very unfair, because if someone wanted to, they could just go gamble their whole life savings away, but the government doesn't say anything about that. And I am very much looking forward to throwing some money at Infinite Fleet and getting this EXO security token, and I will hodl strong in my green wallet. The security token can sit on my nano ledger. It's beautiful. Now, as always, I would recommend you to come over and look at the website yourself. I think you'll actually be thoroughly impressed. These guys also do weekly updates where they're always engaging with the community. They also have a Discord channel where you can get all the latest updates. And to actually take part in the security token offering and essentially the IPO, then you have to come over to the Infinite Fleet website, create an account on Stocker, get your KYC all approved. You also have to download the Green Wallet, and if anyone has any troubles doing any of this stuff, just leave a comment down below and I will happily help you out. And yeah, that pretty much sums up this video. This could be a flagship game where players don't even realize they are using cryptocurrency, or they do realize they are using a cryptocurrency, and it's a very nice on-ramp for the everyday gamer. With that being said, I will leave this video here. Hit like if you like this video. Hopefully you've not fallen asleep, because I know I have a very monotone voice. I would say leave a wallet address down below, but I can't afford to give out free money. So instead, just leave a comment down below of what you think of this game, and if you are going to look at it. Farewell.